sure to subscribe to my channel and like and comment down below ideas you guys want to see in my next video. And you can tell by the title that today's video is gonna be like a little bit different. I'm just gonna talk to you guys, like no editing, like nothing, just like straight talking to you guys, because like I feel like a lot of people deal with this and I'm not the only one. So yeah. But if you're new here, hi, I'm India and this is Life as India. And if you turn me subscriber, hey, what's up and welcome back to my channel. But let's get into today's video. I really hope I don't start crying, because like this is like really like a soft topic for me. But I'm going to like I'm going to like try to do my best to talk to you guys like without editing and without anything. Like I'll probably stutter and I probably like talk too fast, but I really hope you guys like just like keep watching this video, because like it's really important to me. But yeah, so I wanted to talk about this topic because I feel like a lot of people go through this. I'm not the only one who go through this. To be honest, like all of my videos you guys seen so far, like I record them more than once because I'm always like talking too fast and I'm always stuttering. So I feel like you guys don't like really I feel like you guys don't like really get to see like my rough and like raw moments. So I wanted to make this video for you guys because I know that a lot of people go through this. Basically I have a speech impediment, and I was just born like that, and Jason's right here, so that's why I keep like moving and stuff. But yeah, I have a speech impediment, and I was diagnosed with it when I was like probably I would say 4 years old, because like in school I didn't talk to like any of my teachers because I just felt like they wouldn't understand me. So I would only like talk to my mom about stuff. I'm getting emotional because like this is like a really like, I don't know, it's like a really like strong topic to talk about. Don't start crying. Okay, hold on guys. But yeah, when I was like 4 or 5, I didn't talk to nobody besides my mom, because I was like, back then I was like really having a hard time talking to people, because I would feel like they would just like make, I feel like they would just like make fun of me and just be like, oh, haha, why do you talk like that, or why do you sound like that and stuff. And it took me a long time to build up this confidence to make this video for you guys, but I know that a lot of people can relate. And I had speech classes up until high school. Like in high school I was still taking speech classes, and people were like, oh, what's that class for? I'd be like, oh, it's just for like to help me with my like grades and stuff like that. I would just lie to them, you know. I wouldn't tell them like, oh, it's a speech class, because I didn't want to be like the weird kid at school. So I was like, oh yeah, it's just my class was like extra credits and stuff like that. Like I would just lie about it, but really it was speech class. Jason's right here. But it's like, it doesn't matter what you going through, there's always somebody else that has it like way worse, you know. And the one thing that I really learned, and which I knew back then, is that never compare yourself or your life to other people, because it will only bring you down and hurt you. And like I remember in high school, like I would have like friends that like try to talk to people, and I would talk so fast that I would be embarrassed of myself, because I know that I can like talk better than this. And it'd be like, people just always be like, oh, like every time like I get in an argument with people, they'd be like, oh, that's why you talk fast, that's why you know how to talk, or say this word. I'll just be like, who does that? Like, who bully you on how you talk? Like, I don't think nobody should ever be bullied on how they talk, how they look, how they dress, how they sound. Like, I mean, we're all humans at the end of the day. Like, it's just crazy. But I can say that I came a long way, and if I can do this, I'm pretty sure you guys can do this too. I wanted to make my channel because I wanted to show you guys like the real me, and know that you're not alone in this big world. Yeah, I just feel like everybody has something wrong with them, no matter if it's small, no matter if it's big. And you have to remember that just because you have something wrong with you doesn't mean that somebody else has it like way worse, you know. Jason, I'm trying to record my video. But yeah guys, but back to like school. Before I started off like at speech class, I just wouldn't talk to people. Like, I would tell my mom like what I wanted, and I'll tell my mom, like, tell them what I said. But it was just like a real, oh my god, it was a real hard time in high school. I wouldn't say much as middle school because I was actually like okay in middle school, but once I get to high school and stuff, and like I had to like really talk, and I hate it. Like, I hate it when a teacher be like, oh, India, read this, or hey, India, you gotta do a presentation on this. Like, I would be so nervous to the point that I would like don't want to go to school that day, you know. Like, it was really hard. And even in middle school, I had speech class probably twice a day because it was like really bad. I couldn't even pronounce words correctly. Like, I'm so thankful and so happy that I came this far, because without speech class or anything like that, or my mom pushing me, I would not be where I'm at now, and I would not be at where I can like talk to people, like thousands of people on like YouTube about this. And I just want you guys to know that it's never, I mean, listen, okay, listen, let's take it back now, take it back, okay, listen, let's remember something, let's remember something. God does not make no mistakes. Like, I swear he does not. Like, I learned that by going to church and like really like loving God and loving other people around me, to notice that God make no mistakes. Like, just because you sound like this, just because you have a really bad speech problem, just because you having a real hard time in life right now, it does not matter. Like, I swear it does not matter, because at the end of the day, there's always a rainbow at the end of the tunnel. Like, and that's so true, because it's just really hard. Like, you know, like, people always like talking about you, and people like always like making fun of how you sound and stuff. It gets to you sometimes. And I mean, back then I just couldn't do it, you know. Like, I couldn't take people not liking me for who I am. I couldn't take people for like trying to always like use my flaws against me, you know. I just couldn't, like, I couldn't do it. And then it took me this long to open up about this, because I feel like there's 1,000 other people, like 1,000 other people who's going through this same thing that I'm going through. And I feel like if I can talk about it, maybe one day they can come out there, like come out their light and talk about it too. I mean, everyone has a speech problem. No matter if you're bilingual, doesn't matter if you came out like that, doesn't matter anything like that. I mean, everyone has their own flaws, and this is one of my flaws. And I wanted to share with you guys this, because you guys are starting to be my family now, and I feel like I can like go for you guys. I feel like I can just talk to you guys about anything. Like, I swear. And that's what I want my channel to be about. Like, more about me like doing like inspirational things and drawing people to me because of like me telling the truth, you know. And once again, I'm not editing this video or anything like that, because I want it to be a raw and uncut video. Like, no editing, no pausing, nothing like clips out, nothing like that. And you guys know that I have a son, and if my son ever goes through anything like this, I'm going to make sure I'm going to be there how my mom was there for me, you know. But it's just really hard. And if you feel like this, make sure you at least like tell your parents what you're going through, because if you don't, they would never know. I mean, people cannot just like know you and, you know, stuff like that. But it's just, guys, you have to just be yourself, be your kind of beauty, be your kind of person. Go off your life and not other people's life. That's what you have to understand. Your life is not like them. Like, I know you guys probably like, oh, she's making it easier than what it sounds. I'm really not, because if I can do it, and I came this long and this far to open up about this, something that really touches me, to other people, it gives you hope. Like, you know, it gives you a reason to wanna like post videos. And just, I mean, even if you don't have like a lot of subscribers, still post videos, because you never know what the future might hold. Like, you never know. And I wanted to make this video because one of my friends, Chantel, she's really close to me, and she was just telling me like, you should just do it. Like, why not? I mean, other people can relate to your story, and other people might be going through a hard time right now, so why not like tell them your side of the story, you know? So you guys gotta like just know, like, it doesn't matter what people say, honey. It doesn't matter what people say. There's always going to be people in your life that's always bringing you down. bring you down, but it's your decision to bring your spirit and yourself back up. Never let somebody tell you about yourself. Like, don't ever let anybody tell you about yourself and you know that's not true about you, you know? Like, people should be like, oh, you're not nothing, and you sound weird, or that's not how you sound, that's not normal. Like, how can you tell me that this is not normal, you know? Like, how can you tell me that my talking is not normal? Like, it's just really crazy to, like, really imagine that people in this world really messed up in the head. Like, who's like this? I mean, it's like, who says stuff like that? Like, it doesn't make any sense to me. Like, how can you tell me about me? Like, that's just, no, it's not cool at all. But guys, I really hope that this was, like, I really hope that this really touch somebody out there, because it doesn't matter what you're going through. I mean, it took me a long time to really sit here and make this video for you guys. And I mean, sometimes life is about chances. You just gotta go out there and just hope you don't fall. And if you fall, get back up. I mean, get back up off the floor. Like, get back up and keep living your life and live your life the best. And once you get somewhere, can nobody tell you nada. Can nobody tell you nothing about you at all. But guys, yeah, just be your kind of beauty and be your kind of self. Like, don't compare your life to others, like, because that's only going to drag you and bring you down. And I learned that the hard way. And I want you guys to learn that from me. Like, if you fall, if people talking about you, if people don't like you, it doesn't matter. Let them be them. Let them be them. Don't fight fire with fire. Like, just be your kind of self. Like, and that's just real. That's real. Like, you see, I'm still having, like, problem talking, but it took me a long way to get to this. And if it was not for my mom and people around me, I would probably not be right here talking to you guys right now. So, yeah. Like, even when I get, like, nervous or scared or, like, really excited, I tend to, like, talk really fast. But I'm trying my hardest to, like, keep it cool and talk to you guys slow. That way you guys can understand, like, how I really sound, you know? But I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate, like, you guys subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, commenting, all that stuff. I really appreciate it. And without you guys, there's no me. And you guys give me hope and a reason to look forward to. Like, I swear you guys do. But I love you guys so much, and I really hope this video touched at least one person out there. I don't care if it was at least, like, one person. Like, I don't care. Just, like, let me know if this was, like, a good video for you guys. And I will try to do more videos like this by opening up to you guys and let you guys know that you're not alone out there. But yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below, and I will be back with more videos. I love you guys so much, and thank you for just watching my videos. Like, just even if you watch it and don't comment and like, it's still fine. Like, I still love you just by watching my videos. But yeah, guys, I hope that this video was touching for at least some people out there. And if it was, please be sure to like and comment and let me know. But bye, guys. I love you guys so much, and thanks for watching. Bye.